Mga dude, pare, you've heard of mga plushies, di ba? Mga kids ko gusto yung mga plushies, pero tingnan mo naman tong kotse na to. This is the iCar V23, and look at how it's dressed up, man. This is a pink plushie car. Ang cute-cute niya, di ba? Ang cute din niya ate, o ayun, no? Di ba? Cute-cute din niya. Yan, wow, this is a full EV from iCar, and ang presyo niya, pare, believe it or not, murang-mura lang. Nasa around 1 million Philippine pesos lang kung dadating sa Pilipinas. Pero wala pa naman sa Pilipinas to. And check out the interior, pare. Look at that inside. Woo! You've got really plushy na mga seats. Even the steering wheel, pare, plushy na plushy. The dashboard. And have you seen the wheels? Look at these cotton candy wheels here, man. It's like pink cotton candy. Wow, that is something else, dude. Yeah, check this out. Wow, I love this cotton candy car from iCar, the iCar V23 Full EV. O, di ba?